Here are some corn dogs.
This is the Ninja Crispy. There are 4 modes: bake, air fry, max crisp, and re-crisp.
And this is to adjust the time. And it comes with 2 pots. The big one right here, it comes with an adapter. Because with this adapter you can move the top part here. When you need to cook something in the bigger one, then you need the adapter so that you put the top part of the air fryer on top to cook. And with the smaller one, smaller part, you don't need the adapter because you can fit the top on easily like this. On and plug it in. And then how do you turn on? What do you want to do?
Change the modes.
To what?
We're gonna air fry.
Air fry in 10 minutes.
We are, but you can do 11.
I'm gonna adjust the time there. So what? 11 minutes. Okay, and then now what? Just press start. So we're gonna wait for 11 minutes and we're gonna see what it looks like. That's what it sounds like. And here is what it looks like from the bottom. There. And I think these are plastic. They all have the handles here, so it will not be hot when you carry the food, carry the pot around. And these are old glass. They're made of glass. And this one too, and this one also has the handles. Now it's done. Yummy. Okay. It's good. And look at how clean it is. It's still clean. And it is very easy to clean or wash. Our corn dogs are ready to eat. Yum yum.